Cold and flu season is right around the corner, so it's time to ante up. This soup has powerful ingredients that will help to boost your immunity as well as helping to decrease inflammation. Eating in-season foods like the carrots and the turmeric in this grounding soup will really help your body make sure that it gets the nutrients that it needs. This will help you with the change in climate and the change in seasons. I'm gonna make this carrot turmeric soup in the Instant Pot just because I really wanna get it on the table within 10 minutes. But if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can easily throw together the soup on your stovetop. I'll place the link in the description below so you can also grab the stovetop recipe. So those are the benefits of adding more carrots and more turmeric to your diet to boost your immunity and your brain power. There's even more vitamins and nutrients that are proven to boost your brain power, as well as your energy and your mental focus. That's why I put together On Point, a list of the top 12 brain foods to start boosting your brain power today. You can grab it by clicking on the link in the description below. And hey, if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to hit subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Also, while you're down there, maybe leave me a comment and let me know what you enjoyed best about this video and when you're gonna make this soup. Thanks for watching.